Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So right now you won't find very many tempered glass out there for the Pixel 4 XL or the Pixel 4 devices. So I just decided to jump on Amazon and just grab one. There were so many mixed reviews on all the glasses out there. You know what? I kept it 100. I said I'm gonna grab one for $3. This is a 3-pack for $3 on Amazon. And I just grabbed it. I was like, screw it, I'm gonna go ahead and grab it and see what it's like. And if I don't like it, I just lost $3. You get 3-pack for $3 shipped on Amazon, folks, and it's a pretty heft to the glass. Wow. Okay, so right off the rip, doesn't seem like it's gonna be too cheap. And they give you 3 of everything. Sometimes I wonder, how do these guys make money? Like, how are these cats making money selling all these selling these things so cheap or affordable? It's crazy. All right, put this down to protect the back glass since I don't have it in a case or anything. So wow, yeah, let's clean it up and then we'll take a look at the glass. This is crazy right here. $3. I was like, I don't have anything to lose. I mean, really. I mean, I lost $3 if this doesn't turn out to be pretty good, but at the same time, you know, I didn't spend $8 on some. Most of them are like above $10, $8, and you only get one. So the reason I was okay with doing this, obviously I get 3, and then also it's a full screen tempered glass, so I'm not really worried about it. Let's get this joint going on here like this. I gotta clean this off with a real microfiber cloth. We'll try to get all of the dirt and dust off, and then we'll try to pop this bad boy on and see if we can prolong the life of our Pixel 4 XL screen. And again, I got 3 of these, man. If this doesn't pan out, I have 3 of these glasses. So even if this were to break in 72 hours, pop another one on. I know what type of quality. You get what you pay for, that's for sure. So for $3, I'm not expecting much. But this is a full adhesive, looks like. Oh yeah, son. Let's pop this on. Let me get busy on this thing. Stand up here. All right, gotta make sure I can, even though it's $3, I'm gonna put this joint on right. Turn on the screen. Hopefully it's case friendly. Looking pretty good. We'll let it seal up. And for $3, you know what I'm saying? I think I did all right. We'll see how this works, man. For $3, I don't think I'm gonna complain. This is a full adhesive screen protector. If I can just get these little bubbles out, son, I'm telling you, I'll be all right. Got a few little bubbles right there. They coming right out. You know, I was gonna jump online and grab a whole bunch of these. There was so many of them that had like $12, $15, bunch of name brands ones too. Not gonna front. But look at this, folks. The $3 screen protector. Let's check sensitivity. For the first time, I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to save y'all some money. I don't like hooking up sellers, to be honest, man, because, you know, if something goes wrong, you know, first things first, the seller makes a boatload of money when people recommend them, and then they don't send me anything. Not that I want something, but I'm saying you have to be careful about who you recommend, because one time I started doing that and the seller jacked up the pricing. So right now I can tell you that the touch sensitivity is there. It's case friendly, especially with the Google case. So it's a go, folks. I'll go ahead and leave this down below. You get 3 of them for $3. Definitely a win. It's your man Jay. It's crystal clear. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.